happened, Grandpa? Why you are so dull?
What to say, Smith? Since yesterday I am feeling weak and loss of energy.
Oh really? Grandpa, in the next street there is a pharmacy. There you will find a pharmacist. They might help you, Grandpa. Don't worry.
Thank you, Smith, for letting me know. I will go there. Hello, madam.
Hello, uncle. Myself, pharmacist Mary. How can I help you?
Madam, actually I have complaints. Frequently I am feeling more thirsty, weak and loss of energy.
No worries, uncle, we help you. Can you say me about your color of the urination and about your stools?
Yes, madam. I have dark-colored urine and diarrhoea since 3 days.
Oh. Uncle, you are dehydrated. You need an ORS. Please have it, uncle.
Thank you, madam. What does this mean?
ORS means oral rehydration solution, a treatment given for dehydration to restore the lost fluids.
Madam, but I can't afford this often, due to my economic conditions.
No worries, uncle. You can prepare this solution at your home also.
Really? How can we prepare? Can you say me?
Sure, uncle. For 1 glass of water, add 3 spoons of sugar and half or 1 spoon of salt and mix it well. Your ORS is ready, uncle.
Oh, is that? I am glad to know. Can you please explain about the reason for my dehydration?
Dehydration usually happens when you don't take enough fluids, when you have stress, excess workout, or affected with any kind of disease. But in your case it's because of diarrhea. That leads all your body fluids to flush out. Due to this reason you are feeling weak, and due to no amount of water in your body leads to the dark coloration of urine.
Thank you for letting me know about the dehydration and procedure of preparing the ORS.
It's our pleasure, uncle. We are pharmacists, we are your well-wishers. Take care, uncle. Thank you all. Best wishes from Indian Pharmaceutical Association Students Forum.